Hello friends, welcome again to my channel. Today I'm showing you how to make a face mask, which is very effective and very safe for protecting from coronavirus. For making this mask, we need some basic things. Number 1, cloth carry bag, which you find in your house for free. Number 2, fabric glue. Number 3, dental liquid. Number 4, elastic bands. So, let's start. Cut the carry bag in square shape, and its size should be 7 inch by 7 inch. Fold only 3 times, at the center of the mask, as shown in the video. Iron it, with medium temperature only. Cut 2 pieces of elastic bands, each size must be 7 inch. Cut 2 small size pieces of waste material from carry bag for giving stability and side support for the mask. Take a glass of water around 200 milliliters and add a 10 to 15 milliliters of dental liquid. And put this mixture in a clean and dry spray container. And spray it on the mask, each and every corner. And here is the ready, homemade mask. If you like this video, then hit the like button, share with your friends, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe YouTube channel. At the end, thanks for watching. Let's see you in next video.